We wish to share insights from our recent study. When complexity meets complexity. COVID-19-induced supply chain disruptions and strategy portfolio efficiency. The 2020 COVID-19 pandemic heavily disrupted the lives of most businesses as worldwide governments instituted lockdowns. Imagine an automotive manufacturer that sourced parts and components from all over the world. As manufacturing plants, warehouses, and ports were closed for quarantine, a supply shortage and a sudden demand drop were experienced. Soon after, though, a demand surge followed transportation capacity shortages, delays, and labor shortages. As a result, automotive manufacturers could not produce enough new vehicles and distribute them to car dealerships for sale. Under these conditions, what should the automotive manufacturer's response be? Should they implement just one strategy, such as changing where they source parts and components? Or should their response include a portfolio of strategies that simultaneously address these various types of disruptions? In this study, the most common disruption patterns are identified using real-world data. Then, 9 key strategies firms use to deal with such disruptions are identified, which can be considered shock absorbers, in the form of capacity, inventory, or time buffers. To better understand which strategies work best in coping with these extreme and unfamiliar challenges, we built a detailed simulation model that is based on all the empirical data we gathered. Then, we investigated the efficiency of individual and multi-strategy portfolios from a cost-benefit trade-off perspective. It was found that simpler strategies, even a do-nothing approach, will usually outperform many complex strategy portfolios. Too many strategies will do nothing more than increase costs without a proportional improvement to revenue or service level. In our automotive manufacturer example, it may seem necessary to make as many changes as possible to the complete supply chain all at once to counter the various types of disruptions. Doing too much at once can make it difficult to see what is working and why something is not working. Certain measures may even be working at cross purposes with each other. An increase in strategy complexity could also cause redundancy in the strategy portfolio, meaning a waste of firm resources. We found that having a moderate number of diverse strategies and minimal redundancy is the recipe for success. So, it's not just about the number of strategies. It's about having the right mix of strategies so the firm is ready for different kinds of situations. This is like having a well-rounded toolkit, ready for whatever challenge comes your way. As the disruption patterns become more complex, a complex strategy will become less and less efficient. Sometimes, trying to control everything makes things worse. Crises tend to be good learning opportunities. The pandemic's supply chain disruptions have also given us some valuable takeaways about managing supply chain challenges going forward. This study shows the importance of balancing the cost and benefits of strategy adoption and the benefits of the synergistic portfolio view. We can keep this in mind for the next disruption we face, whatever that may be. Having a mix of shock absorbers to weather a storm but not overdoing it because too many buffers can be a burden. Do these results resonate with you? Please give us your comments and thoughts as we continue researching the dynamics of supply chain disruptions. Thank you for watching.